Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Taylor. Please subscribe and join me on my journeys. And I don't look my best today, but that's okay. So right now I'm going to go get my eyebrows done, and I have mentioned a couple times that I get my eyebrows tinted. So this was something new to me. I definitely thought it was something that the eyebrow place was trying to like add on and like sell me an extra service to like make an extra buck, but I actually ended up loving it. And as you can tell, obviously I don't have my eyebrows filled in. Sure, I have dark eyebrows, but up close, like you can see, one, I definitely have like a unibrow right now, which is fine. It'll be fixed in like 10 minutes. But I do have like little sparse areas. Normally, I would have to fill in my eyebrows if I want to get rid of those, but I'm not that great at filling them in. So eyebrow tinting basically does that for you, and it lasts up to 3 weeks. I wanted to show you guys how it works, how much it costs, before and after, and I wanted to just bring you along with me. I will say that I'm such a baby when I get my eyebrows threaded. It hurts me so bad. It's just like the worst pain ever. Like, it just honestly so painful. So I'm not looking forward to that, but it's gonna hurt so bad. Okay, hold your eye.
All right, so right now she is just obviously threading my eyebrows. This hurts me so bad. I don't know. Comment below if this also hurts you guys. Like, seriously, I'm such a baby. It doesn't look like it, maybe because the camera is on, but I am a baby when it comes to this.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. This is the bad one though.
Now she's doing my left eyebrow, which for whatever reason, my left eyebrow is always like a little bushier than my right, and the left always hurts way more. So I can't believe I'm not flinching in this. I was definitely sweating. I always sweat when I get my eyebrows done. Yeah, I don't know. Right now she's filling in my eyebrows with the eyebrow tint. I think she uses dark brown. I can't recall correctly, but she's filling it in. It's vegetable oil based, and it lasts up to 3 weeks. It just depends on how much your skin produces oil, and you know, your activity levels. Sweat will obviously contribute to that also, but like I said, I sweat a lot when I work out, and I work out a lot, and mine lasts like up to 3 weeks. So this is where I have to wait for like 15 minutes, and this is the look.
Remove these eyebrows. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like directly after me finishing. They wipe it off a little bit, but it's still obviously very dark. Like, this eyebrow honestly still looks crazy. When I first started doing it, I would like come to my car and like wipe them even more because I was like so self-conscious. The reason it looks so crazy right now is because the tinting is temporarily on my skin. So once I wash my face and it gets off the skin and it's only on the hair, then it will look way better and more natural and less crazy. So I know you're probably thinking like, what the hell? I'm never getting my eyebrows tinted. Like, this looks ridiculous, but just wait for it. Just trust me, okay? Just trust me. Hey guys, it is the next day. So I got my eyebrows tinted yesterday, as you saw. So this is the next day after I've washed my face twice. This is how my eyebrows look now. So obviously it looks way better now. I woke up like this. I don't have to do anything to my eyebrows. It's all about the convenience, and like one less step in the morning is like amazing to me. I am obsessed with eyebrow tinting. Like I said, I never thought I would be obsessed with it, never thought I needed it, but now I really love it and I really recommend it. So I'm gonna go get ready and show you what I look like with makeup on. So it's been over 24 hours since I got my eyebrows tinted and threaded, obviously. So I wanted to show you what it looked like with a face of makeup on. Obviously a simple face of makeup. I don't really wear like a lot of makeup. Obviously you can tell that it looks like I just filled my eyebrows in, and that's like the goal. So I wake up like this, which is amazing, and I don't have to do anything. So I don't have to fuss with an eyebrow pencil, and I don't have to like draw in my eyebrows, make a mistake, or make little hair marks, or whatever you have to do to fill in your eyebrows. I don't have to do it because I get my brows tinted. I love not having to pretend like I know what I'm doing, because I definitely do not know what I'm doing. And so stop, please. 2 minutes. So that's the tea on eyebrow tinting. I really think it's worth it. I will leave below a link to the place that I go to if you live in the LA Valley area. They're great, and they do some celebrities, so you might run into a celebrity there. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried eyebrow tinting. I've been seeing a new trend called eyebrow lamination. I don't really know what that is. I don't know, like maybe I'll end up trying it. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Let me know if you guys have tried eyebrow tinting. Let me know if you have any questions. All of the good things, all right? So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos. Can you relax? Thank you. Really?